Kia whānau toy time. Do you know what time it is? It's the trumpets, which means it's toy time. Hoaki tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora koutou. Nau mai hoki mai kia toy time. Ko Maia ahau, and today he whai rahi ahau. I'm a giant manta ray. They are very peaceful sea creatures.
Kia ora, I'm Jojo, and I'm a fangtooth. I live deep down at the very bottom of the sea. Oh, sorry, fangtooths can't see very well.
Oh, Jojo, fangtooth are quite, scary, aren't they?
Oh, don't worry, we look scary, but we don't eat people.
Oh,
Or manta ray.
I'm very glad to hear that. Ooh.
Kia ora koutou. Can you guess what I am?
Ah, kia ora, Riki. Something tells me you might be a whike.
Aye, Maya. You're right. I'm an octopus with 8 arms. That gave it away?
As a matter of fact, yes. I don't know any other creature with so many arms.
Oh, well, there are so many amazing creatures that live under the sea.
I can't wait to learn all about them.
Waka tātou.
Wait for me.
In the Moana, where wonders await, deep in the ocean, far under the waves, from the smallest fish to enormous whales, come watch their beauty on display. Join the underwater parade, where seaweed streamers sway. Creatures of every color, shape, and size. You won't believe your eyes. When we go deeper, it's dark as the night. Some of the sea life here would give you a fright. The anglerfish finds food with its luminescent light. It lures a little fish and then it opens wide. Jump! Join the underwater parade, where seaweed streamers sway. Creatures of every color, shape, and size. You won't believe your eyes. Now go eat, like a dolphin. Like a seal. Snip, 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 like a lobster. Ooh, like a whale. Eat, like a dolphin. Like a seal. Snip, 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 like a lobster. Ooh, like a whale.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time. It's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Ready? Now, all I need is some...
Here are those straws you asked for, Maya.
Oh, straws! Thanks, Ricky. Hey,
Oh,
would you like to do some painting with me?
painting with straws.
Ai, titiro.
Oh, okay.
So, you dip the straw in the paint, like this. You hold the top of the straw with your finger, and then you lift up the paint
Oh.
and you blow into the straw.
Whoa, how beautiful. It looks like coral under the sea.
Perfect. That's exactly what I was trying to create. Hey, would you like to give it a go?
Yes, please. Okay, so dip. Hand over the top. Ooh, and blow.
Hey, that looks like remurapa, seaweed. Perfect. We finished our painting and I added these pictures that I cut out from an old magazine. This one is a honu, tutu, and this one is a kekino, a seal. Nā, he waka tēnei. This is a waka. And this reminds me of Te Ika a Maui.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, Te Ika a Maui is the story of how the North Island of Aotearoa came to be.
This is a story about Te Ika a Maui, Maui's big fish. Once upon a toy time, there was a brave Tamaiti called Maui. Maui longed to go fishing with his big brothers, but he was never allowed. So one day, he decided to hide in their waka.
Oh, what a beautiful day for catching delicious kaimoana.
Glad we didn't have to bring Maui. He's too young to come fishing.
Did someone say fishing?
Maui,
What are you doing here?
we told you not to come.
Oh, go on now. I brought my own mātou, made from a magical jawbone, see?
Tēnā, o mai te ika nui rau atu.
While Maui's brothers caught fish after fish, Maui's magic hook sunk deeper into the water until it caught on something very big.
Oh, I got one! I got one! Oh, it's big! It's big!
Maui pulled and pulled and pulled with all of his might. But Te Ika a Maui was so big and strong that Maui needed his brother's help to pull it in.
Oh, you might be brave and strong, but my will is stronger! Nā tangaro, o mai te ika nui rau atu!
Maui recited his karakia, and finally, together with his brothers, Maui hauled his ika out of the sea.
It's massive! Where? Yeah.
You didn't land a fish, Maui.
Nah, you fished up the land.
Ai, Te Ika a Maui, the North Island of Aotearoa. Tēnā koe tangaroa. Yeah.
Te moana nui a Kiwa, Aotearoa in the Pacific Ocean. Te moana nui a Kiwa, at the beach come see all the waves in motion. Grab your togs and come to nature's playground. At the beach where ocean meets the land. In the distance I see boats are sailing. Paratai, splash me if you can. Te moana nui a Kiwa, Aotearoa in the Pacific Ocean. Te moana nui a Kiwa, at the beach come see all the waves in motion. Water fills the lakes and all the rivers. The fish of Tangaroa in the sea. Without water, plants would
Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Kelly Tarleton's, and I'm off to meet some of the children of Tangaroa. Hoake tātou. That's a stingray. Look, this is Molly. She's 45 years old. She's actually one of the oldest creatures here. Kia ora. Can you see the tiger shark? Pretty cool, huh? Yay. Oh, did you know sharks have an endless supply of teeth? Over a lifetime, they can have between 20 and 30,000 teeth. That's heaps. Come on. Check out all these beautiful ika, my cousins. They're trevally. Hello. Hello. Check it out, it's a turtle. It's waving at me. Cheer, cuz, come back, come back. Whoa, check out this ginormous koura. Oh, we're crustaceans. Look, I'm a crayfish. And now I'm my whike. Ooh. Check out this beautiful tuna. I'm gonna be your best friend. Tuna and Buzz back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're escaping. Wow. Oh, it's been such an awesome day today, cousins. Oh, I've seen a tuna, I've seen a mako, I've seen a whai, and I've even seen a whike. I'm off to find a sea giraffe. Ka kite anō.
Kia ora, little fishies. I'm Auntie Anika, and today we're playing Salmon Says with some groovy sea creature moves. Get it? Salmon Says instead of Simon Says It. Play on words. Anyway, that means I'm the boss and you have to do everything I say. Okay, Salmon says, eat your arm. Just jokes. Okay, Salmon says, dance like an octopus. Okay, Salmon says, do the mako shark. Salmon says, do the manta ray. Woo! Salmon says, do the crab. Is this a good crab? Okay, now do the coda. Ha! Ha ha ha! I didn't say Salmon says. Salmon says, do your favourite sea creature dance move. I can't choose a favourite, so I'm just going to do them all at the same time. Ta-da!
Tahi, rua, toru.
Kia ora, my cuz.
Hey, kia ora, Buzz. Oh,
Oh, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora.
1 second, Buzz. This is very important. Oh. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, and waru. 8 tentacles on a whike.
Oh, Vicky. Hey, Ricky, do you know how to make an octopus laugh?
How?
You give it 10 tickles. 10 tickles.
Hey, I'll give you tentacles, Buzz.
Oh, you'll have to catch me because it's Takaro time.
Whoa. Jojo, Maya, are you coming? Come on. I got you, Buzz.
Kia ora te whānau, it's Takaro time. Who's ready to play octopus tag?
Me.
Awesome. Okay, this area is the moana. And Ricky, you are the whike, okay? The whike stands in the middle of the moana. And the fish, that's us, tried to get to the other side without being caught.
Ka pai. So, what happens if the octopus catches one of us?
Then we become a quab, okay? Quabs stay where they are and they help the octopus catch more fish. The last fish to be caught is the winner. Got it?
Got it!
Okay.
Wah, I am the octopus, and this is my sea. Which little fishies can swim past me?
I'm a fish.
I am the octopus, and this is my crab. Try swim past us before you get grabbed.
I'm a fish again.
Get him, Jojo!
Now I'm a crab.
I win! Does that mean I get to play Whiki now?
It sure does, Maya. Go cuete, Whiki.
Let's play again.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishies. Any nibbles yet, Oma?
Oh, Kaore Wolfie. Hey, how about you?
Oh, kareko. Fishing takes a lot of patience, doesn't it, Oma?
Yes.
Ooh.
What is it?
A nibble! Oh, I think I caught a fish.
Reel it in, Wolfie!
It's coming.
Oh,
It's a big one.
Yeah, kaha, Wolfie! You're nearly there.
Oh, that's a very strange-looking fish.
I don't think that's a fish, Wolfie. That's...
A gumboot. I've been looking for it everywhere. I lost it when I went fishing with my koro. Ngā mihi nui Wolfie and Oma. That's better. See ya.
Bye, Buzz.
Hi.
Oh, Buzz.
Oh, Buzz.
Under the sea, what can you see? Under the sea, what can you see? An octopus gliding with glee. An octopus gliding with glee. Under the sea, what can you see? Under the sea, what can you see? A blue whale singing so free. A blue whale singing so free. Under the sea, what can you see? Under the sea, what can you see? A tiny fire coming for me. A tiny fire coming for me. Under the sea, what can you see? Under the sea, what can you see? An oogly woogly glowing thing with big oogly woogly googly oogly eyes. Oh, weird. Under the sea, what can you see? The miracle of life. Under the sea.
Today we're going to the rock pools. The water is so warm. There's so much to see at the rock pools. There's lots of seaweed. There's lots of crab and side shells.
I got sea snails.
We love looking in the rock pools. There's always something to find. We splash in the water. I love going to the beach with my family.
It's time for What's in
The box.
The Sea Creatures edition.
Ooh, so today's What's in the Box, Maya, is a little different. Because, well, it's too big to fit in the box. So we're gonna have to wear one of these.
Kei te hi kakarawatu ahau. I can't wait to find out what's in the box.
Hikaka. Oh, what does that mean, Maya?
Hikaka means I'm excited.
Oh, excited. I like that. Thanks, Maya. Now, are you ready? Okay. Here we go. And in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ready, Maya? Mm-hmm. Here we go.
Okay. Ooh. Water. Sand. Shells. A toy shark. And a toy starfish.
Wow, Maya, you got them all. Wow. Well, you can take your eye mask off now.
Oh, okay. Phew! What a beautiful ocean sensory bin, Ricky.
Oh.
Here, do you want to have a go?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Peppy mako do 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 do. Peppy mako do 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 do. Peppy mako do 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 do. Peppy mako. Peppy mako do 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 do. Peppy mako do 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 do. Peppy mako do 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 do. Peppy mako. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end.
Oh, I love looking at sea creatures swimming around. But I noticed something. The starfish, pātangatanga, just lies at the bottom of the ocean. It doesn't move like the other fish. I wonder why that is. He mōhio,
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help you today?
why doesn't the starfish swim like the other fish?
Because a starfish isn't actually a fish.
Huh, it's not? Then what is a starfish?
Pātangatanga, starfish, belong to a group of species called invertebrates because they don't have a backbone.
Oh, so that's why they don't move.
Starfish do move, Ricky, just very slowly. They creep along the bottom of the ocean floor using little suckers on their arms.
Like this. Cool moves, pātangatanga. Thanks, mōhio.
Anytime, Ricky.
Nau mai e ngā hua o te moana nui a ki wā. Hau me e hui e tai ki e.
Hi, Jojo.
Hi, Buzz.
Would you like some of my sandwich?
Yes, please. Oh, I'm ahead, Jojo.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Hi! Today I'm going to the beach.
Okay.
I did it! We find things to make our own sea creature. I think it's not up here. I think Monkey loves the beach. Jojo's Monk's sister.
Shall we give it some eyes, maybe?
You're making starfish.
I have a moustache.
A sea monster.
Like a moustache.
I look at my moustache.
That looks great.
My mum's has too. It's look great. This is my creature. Like a creature. What a great day.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about Christmas. In their cozy home in Kirikiriroa, Aria and Rohan were bubbling with excitement. Christmas was around the corner, and decorating the Christmas tree was their favorite part of the season. This year, they decided to make it extra special by making their own decorations. Aria and Rohan headed to the local gully with their parents. The gully was a magical place filled with tall trees, colourful flowers, ferns, and hidden treasures. Aria and Rohan explored every nook and cranny, collecting pine cones, twigs, feathers, and leaves. Back home, they spread their treasures on the table. Aria's eyes sparkled as she picked up a pine cone. Let's turn this one into a reindeer. Rohan nodded. And these twigs can be a tiny Christmas tree. With scissors, glue, and a dash of glitter, the Singh kids transformed their gully treasures into beautiful ornaments. As they hung their creations on the tree, laughter filled the air. Their trees had never looked better. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi